All right, so we're here with SSG 33 Sergeant Smash, 1200 horsepower, fully built 427 by LME with the Whipple. But the other day we had a little bit of an incident. We're warming the car up, we had a little meeting inside, and Sam goes,
"Hey Mike, car's smoking."
I come running out straight across the shop. Got the hood open, we were able to see where the smoke was coming from, and some of the factory silicone on the brake lines started dripping down onto the headers. So sitting that long with no airflow and getting up to temperature, it caused the silicone to fail. So we called our guys at Heatshield, and they came right down with the solution.
So we've got our Stealth Shield. It's a salt product, and it's going to go right on the brake line, right where that came from, and keep it from melting or catching on fire.
There you go. That's what they're like. Oh, that'll protect you.
I used some scissors and I cut this. Okay. Is that a good enough explanation?
Currently, Shane is trying to take the hook and loop closure and turn it away from the heat source. The material will take 1100 degrees constant, but the hook and loop will only take 500. 500 is where silicone failed on the other one. So we want to take the Velcro and just turn it away from the heat source. And that's what he's doing right now. But it is really tight up in there, and he's using a pick to make it happen. So if anyone can do it, Shane can. All right, so that'll do it for our quick stop at Speed Society today. So, anyway, that's us. We're out of here.
All right, thank you guys for coming down. Can't say enough great things about it. Yeah, you guys always come in clutch, so appreciate it.
Right on, man. Shane, anything you want to say?
Nope. We're out.